Hey everyone, so there's actually a lot of news that you have missed out on from the founders, from the team themselves, which is what I wanted to talk about today. Really exciting info overall. From what we are seeing, we're seeing a big downtrend, but a lot of big whales are investing, which definitely keeps it positive so far. Even being down 1%, I'm not worried that much. All we need to do is break a few zeros, and at some point, we'll reach that 1 cent. Not financial advice, but be sure to like the video because it will help you out a lot. This is like really important news from what I'm seeing so far. I said this once and I will say it again. Now, I did say this in my last video, but I just wanted to put it out there again because this is from the CEO and have into this, and I'm not a scammer. Search for the Coven transactions or talk to a mod that tried it. Moreover, this is a decentralized experiment and we're building a governance system to allow Shiba to grow even further. What this would do would expand the team even more, but there are some things being built and offered in more places to Shiba token to be accepted worldwide. So there's a lot more projects than just Shiba Swap. There are other things being built that we're just unaware of right now, and a lot of things being just in development keeps me really excited that they have not yet announced. I'm thinking there's actually a lot more than Shiba Swap by itself. He has actually went all in from this coin, and this is like really positive news so far. He's not a scammer. The Shiba Swap is not a scam, and he's actually holding 0 coins. Now, there's one more CEO update, or one of the teams. Not for my side of it all. I'm terrible at testing. What happened for me is I played with it and tried to run some transactions to, of course, test things. I suck at MetaMask. We have a few testing Ethereum that we use, but forgot to get it. So I ended up clogging the whole MetaMask queue with my DAT transactions. Poof, testing over. So obviously, they're giving us a bit of a sneak peek of what's happening at the testing, and he doesn't like testing with MetaMask. That doesn't mean, MetaMask will not work overall. It just means that they're testing a few things with it. It's getting tiring. It really is, for the devs, for me, for everyone. You can jump up and down and go, he's covering it up, or whatever you want to tinfoil hat to feel better. So a lot of people are saying, the Shiba Swap does not exist overall. Nah, Shiba Swap is definitely real. I've seen and read a lot of stuff too since testing closed. Just be patient. Making a potential multi-billion competitor takes time, and of course they want to make it multi-million competitor thing, and they want to make it one of the biggest things so far. It's one of the biggest crypto markets there is, and making it good takes even more. Oh my god, please stop asking me when status. I'm literally sending test tokens to 20 testers, and of course they're working on it day by day. And for those rushing, you wouldn't want to lose everything in a huge DDoS or a flash crash or a single code line vulnerability, would you? A lot of people are saying to release it now, which would actually crash the whole market. And not only that, if it gets hacked, that's gonna be something terrible for all the people holding millions in there, or even their, $100. What we're seeing so far, if a huge DDoS happens, if a flash crash happens, you can lose all your coins. So maybe just understand development isn't as black as white as you'd think. And of course, it takes a lot of development, but Shiba Swap is in fact real. It's real 100%, but it takes time. I've seen and read a lot of things too since testing closed. Now, just be patient, making a potential multi-billion competitor. And of course, they're going to be competing against Dogecoin. They're going to be competing against a lot of crypto. And this does, in fact, take time. It's getting tiring from people saying it's fake, a scam, and they want to release it. But they have to do these things first for it to not get hacked. He's covering it up, people are saying. A sort of a scam? Well, not really. People, want to feel better. People want to, say it's fake. So because the price is dropping, people just don't simply believe Shiba Swap is real. Now, Shiba Swap is the big thing that's upcoming. They have a lot more projects inbound that we're yet unaware of, that they don't want to disclose, because they don't want to get their ideas stolen, because they already had their, basic, there's thousands of Shiba copies out there, and they don't want to get even more things stolen so far. People are trying to chime in on the market. Sometimes they pump and dump these Shiba Inu coins that are simply copies, but Shiba Inu is not it. The CEO has 0 coins. The teams have maybe, less coins than us. And it's really important to feel right here that they're still working on it, and it's so close. But for it to release, they actually have to finish everything up. They're working day and night on this one. So sending test tokens to 20 testers is definitely some good news we received today. and I really like that. There's, it means the progress is going on right now. So people have been speculating. I'm betting that Shiba Swap will be this Thursday. And if you did not know, the CEO loves the solar eclipse. And now the next solar eclipse is on June 10th, 2021. I don't think this is connected, but it could be. Beer going well for me. I scold what I was saying about earlier about the moon. The cycle of eclipse is a special time, the space in between, and I'm learning to use it. And I think it might be connected, but last time we saw a solar eclipse, it was not connected at all. So I don't think the CEO actually wanted to imply that, the Shiba Swap release and that is connected. I think when Shiba Swap is ready, it will be released. He's saying, he liked the eclipse. I don't think it'll be on Thursday. And if it happens, you might expect something on Thursday because, the updates are on Thursday, in fact, in most companies, or Tuesdays, and that's something pretty exciting. So hopefully we see something like that, putting everything in, they are being fully transparent with what they're working on right now. Now, first business using Shibas in Venezuela. I'm really happy for that. And we can see, actually the first company in a country. And so we're getting spread all around the world from what I'm seeing. And every single country now has their own restaurant actually accepting SHIB. And we all know Venezuela dollars are not worth a lot, okay? But here we can see, that they started accepting Shiba Inu as a form of a payment. And this can happen in the future in less developed countries. They can start accepting Ethereum, crypto, instead of, dollars, Venezuelan dollars, which are worth almost nothing so far. And it's very, very exciting to see what happens next. Now, it's very, very awesome that they actually accepted Shiba Inu instead of, they could have accepted any coin. They could have accepted ADA. They could have accepted Ethereum. But they decided to actually accept Shiba Inu. So someone that is really hungry and only has Shiba Inu can now pay with Shiba Inu. And yes, you can pay, just scanning the QR code. This is like so awesome. And it screams mainstream adoption. It screams that there are new people out there that are going to be, buying food with Shiba Inu. Imagine buying your groceries with Shiba Inu. Of course, not right now. Because like Shiba Inu right now is going to be worth a lot in the future. Not financial advice, but we obviously all know it. Now, the big important thing here is when, Shiba Inu is maybe worth 1 cent, and people will want to pay with groceries with it, they will have $2 million of Shiba Inu. They will have $1 million of Shiba Inu. Maybe they'll have 500,000, and they'll want to buy food. They can just pay that with Shiba Inu, and that's what is super exciting to me. A lot of these companies are starting to accept it because they know Shiba Inu will grow. If they make a burger, it can easily grow. And now the big important announcement, Shiba Inu is going to build their own blockchain. This is huge, strong together. It's going to take some time, but it's going to happen. Maybe a year, maybe less, but it's actually a lot of things so far. So people want source, and this is actually some truth to it. So good people, and Shiba is less than a year old. Look what it already achieved, 4 billion. Shiba Swap communication has been poor, but I believe the devs are working something big, have paid people and patience. We're not even a year into this, and the first year is crucial. The first year is crucial for all growth. You must all do yourselves a favor and read Roshi's papers. So that's the CEO. I think there are 3 of them now, and they are pretty short reads, 5 to 7 minutes. In the last paper, he lays out his vision. He talks about a new decentralized blockchain, Shibarium. So very surprised with the negative comments. He's quoting from the great Roshi, who's saying, there's going to be a blockchain. And Roshi mentions the potential here. I favor migrating SHIB to BCV blockchain. And yes, I think it's very, very possible that we're actually going to be seeing this. I mean, this is just early steps. In the first year of Shiba Inu, the second year and third year are going to be huge for Shiba Inu, and the next 10 years are going to be even bigger. Who knows? Maybe you can buy an apartment with Shiba Inu. Right now, we just can't say because it has such massive potential. And also, Social Award Dog of the Year, DeFi Social Award for Shiba Inu, presenting the 2021 cohort winners. And that's really, really exciting news from what I'm seeing so far. So Shiba Inu winning once again. And we're getting closer and closer to Robinhood. I've been always saying so much about Robinhood. But yes, surely, if we get to 150,000 petitions, this is massive, massive signs. I'll just skip ahead the news because we have so much more for it. I said this last time, but Shiba Swap tweeting, this is pretty important. This connects with, what the devs have been saying. So this definitely adds some credibility to Shiba Swap. Proud to be a part of it. So something is inbound pretty much soon. Shiba Swap is ready. They're already testing it. And we surpassed 160,000 members. This is growing massively every single day. Such a big amount. And when this reaches 1 million, that's where, Elon Musk or some other influencer might tweet very positively about it. 160 members, K members is not something something to be unaware of. So really, really exciting news. And the community has been going super strong right now. There's a lot of whales investing into this coin, if you don't know. So I really, really love the idea of what's happening with Shiba Inu so far. People are saying, you know, Shiba Swap is soon with the solar eclipse. I don't think this is connected, but definitely be surprised. You know, testing it will be launched with zero notice, is what the CEO has said for Shiba Swap. So that's something to be aware of. Eclipse is next week. No dates have been confirmed. I'm just a big fan of Eclipse. So that's something I agree. I think if it's in the next 4 days, that would be exciting, but I wouldn't see it on June 10th because we saw this like every single month. I think we saw this like 10 days ago and it didn't happen. So, but you know, always keep your potential up. You never know what happens. Maybe we're getting Shiba Swap pretty much soon. So be sure, subscribe for more content and drop a like for other members to see this. See you until next time. Peace, everyone.